How to become a member on all.com. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can become a member on all.com. To become a member on all.com is not difficult or far-fetched, and it's not a strange thing. It's just for you to create an account with all. Once you have an account on all.com, you are automatically a member. So how do you create an account? The first step is by downloading the app on your mobile device. And how do you download the app? By moving to your Play Store. That is, if you are using an Android, but if you are using an iPhone, you can just go to your app store, and then in the search box type out all.com, and then you'll be brought to the all.coms page. Then you can see that for me, you can see the option open, right? This is because I have the app installed already. But for you, you will see the option install, sorry. Once you see it, click on it. Once it's installed, the install will change to open. So you just click on open, and then you'll be brought to the page. Once you're on this page, you will not be brought to a welcome the home page. You'll be brought to the page where you'll be asked to log in or become a member. Alright, log in or become a member. For those that have an account previously, you will click on login. But since you want to become a member, just click on become a member, and then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you follow all the processes and create an account. Once an account has been created, you automatically become a classic member on all, just like I am here. And then once you're a member, you will move to the lower part of the screen where you can see three icons, and then click on account, and then you would see your account page. Click on personal details, and then you would see all of your personal details such as your name, your nationality, your contact details, etc. So that's just it. This is how you can become a member on all.com. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.